Well, what's going on, guys? Dustin with Cardboard Hobby. We're doing a 2015 Triple Threats football. It's a 3-box break. Dates April 20th, 2016. Teams and owners. We have Amanda S. with the Packers, Vikings, Raiders, and Eagles. These are shipping names. So Andy H. with the Jaguars and Steelers. Brady R. Cowboys, Patriots, Chargers. Charles with the Dolphins. Frank H. Cardinals and Titans. Garrett C. with the Bears. Jeremy E. with the Ravens and Browns, Jonathan R. with the Giants, Joshua B. with the Falcons, Justin C. Bills, Bengals, and Broncos, Kevin H. with the Panthers, Kristen B. with the Colts, Matthew with the Seahawks, Mike G. with the Chiefs, Mike M. with the Texans, Paul E. with the 49ers, R. Beck with the Lions, Steve L. with the Buccaneers, Tara with the Jets, Thomas V. with the Saints and Rams, and Insight with the Redskins. All right, guys, our teams and owners. You guys chose the right side. We'll do 3 more tomorrow, 3 boxes tomorrow, whether it be these 3 or the other 3 from this case. So here's what we're doing tonight. Let's go over our boxes. Box 1. All right, there we go. Here's our first box. One. Box 2. And our third box, we'll start with this one. Let's do it, guys. Good luck. Start off box 1, mini box number 1. All right, we're starting off. Get the camera up a bit here. Focus in. There we go. All right, we start off Tom Brady at a 232. The Patriots. At a 232, Clay Matthews, Packers. And base Aaron Rodgers. Eddie Lacy, a lot of Packers in this first one here. And then Lawrence Taylor, base. Our first hit goes to Sammy Coates out of 15. Sammy Coates out of 15 for the Steelers. If I can get a focus in here. There we go. Number 2 of 15. Weird that the sticker's over top of the numbering. 2 of 15. Sammy Coates. Nice patch. Pittsburgh. And behind that, Sammy Coates, Pittsburgh, weird, out of 99. Sammy Coates pack, starting us off. It's 54 and 99. Sammy Coates for Pittsburgh. So 2 Steelers starting us off. Same player. Interesting. Mini box 2. All right, we got Len Dawson at a 232 Kansas City, at a 232 Terrell Suggs for the Ravens. Then our base cards go to Largent, Seahawks, Antonio Brown, Pittsburgh, Gale Sayers for the Bears. And then our first hit is T.Y. Hilton. T.Y. Hilton, Colts, a little bit of blue in there, number 4 of 9. 4 of 9. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. And our next hit Oh, nice. Bears, Kevin White. Sweet hit. Out of 75 for the Bears. 6 of 75. Kevin White, Chicago Bears, 6 of 75. All right, that's box 1. Here comes box number 2. And I will go over all the hits again at the end in case you guys lose the stream, walk away, whatever. We'll go over everything at the end. Box 2, Mini 1. Oh. So back here. Go. Out of 232, DeMarco Murray, Eagles. Out of 199, Warren Moon for the Titans. Base cards, Alshon Jeffrey. Drew Brees. And Matty Ice, Atlanta. First hit, Amari Cooper out of 75 for Oakland. Amari Cooper, 75 for the Raiders, and a thick one on its way. Upside down. Go to Rashad Green out of 99. Rashad Green, Jacksonville out of 99. So Jaguars, their first hit, box 2. All right, we got Tony Dorsett out of 232. Out of 232, John Elway, the Broncos. And then base, Kelvin Benjamin, Nick Foles, Rams, and Cam Chancellor, Seahawks. First hit. Oh, nice Mariota. Nice Mariota, 3-color patch. 14 of 18, Titans. Dark blue, light blue, and white in there. 14 of 18, Titans. Mariota. And our hit, second hit, goes to another Tennessee Titan, Trey McBride out of 75. 71 of 75. Trey McBride for the Titans. So a lot of team packs so far. 1 Steelers pack, 1 Titans pack out of 4 packs. Here you go, guys. Last box. Good luck. Mini box 3, or mini box 1, box 3. That one here. All right, a 199, Jimmy Graham, Seahawks. Had a 232, Manziel. And then our base, go to Peyton Manning, Jim Kelly, Buffalo, and Richard Sherman, Seattle. First hit goes to Todd Gurley of the Rams, 13 of 99. 13 of 99, Todd Gurley. And our auto is this way. I'm going to focus here real quick. Go. Mike Davis, Niners. Mike Davis for the Niners out of 50. 24 of 50. Mike Davis. All right, guys, last box. The rest of the case sits in here. I mean, it's still floating around in those last few boxes. Super thin one. Might have a redemption in here. No redemption, just a thin pack. Russell Wilson at a 232. At a 232, Joe Flacco, Ravens. Calvin Johnson, base. Cardboard Hobby on YouTube. I'll post a link here as soon as I'm done. Des Bryant, Tim Brown, base. And first hit goes to the Bengals. Triple relic, Hill, Bernard, and A.J. Green. Numbered out of 27, 2 of 27, Jeremy Hill, Giovanni Bernard, A.J. Green. The Bengals. And final hit goes to Kenny Bell of Tampa Bay. Kenny Bell out of 75. The Bucks. Kenny Bell. All right, guys, let's go over our hits real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm going to post this. All right, here's our hits. The Kenny Bell, as you just saw, out of 75. Jeremy Hill out of 20. Jeremy Hill and Giovanni Bernard and A.J. Green out of 27. Bengals. Mike Davis out of 50. 49ers. Todd Gurley out of 99, Rams. 75, McBride for the Titans. And then nice Mariota patch here out of 18 for the Titans. Rashad Green out of 99, Jags. Amari Cooper out of 75 for the Raiders. Kevin White out of 75 for the Bears. Go. Hilton out of 9. Nice low number there. Colts. Sammy Coates out of 99. And the other Sammy Coates out of 15. Nice low number triple patch auto there. Out of 15, Sammy Coates for the Steelers. All right, guys, that's our triple threats break. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll hang around for a few minutes and answer anything you guys have. I have some personal boxes available of different products if anybody's interested in those. If not, thanks for breaking with cardboardhobby.com. Appreciate you guys stopping in. We're doing Tech Baseball at 11 Eastern Time. So I'll see some of you guys in an hour. If not, thanks again. Appreciate it. Any questions, feel free to